Hold on to your hats because we're about to turn the simple act of drinking water into a health revolution with mint. So if you're ready, let's blast through the top reasons why mint water is the superhero drink you didn't know you needed. Starting at lucky number 7, mint water is the unsung hero of digestion. It's not just a drink, it's a full-on digestion superhero fighting the villains of bloating and indigestion with every sip. Think of it as your belly's best friend, always there to calm things down after a food fiesta. Coming in at number 6, which is all about minty fresh breath. Forget chewing gum or mouthwash. Mint water is your new go-to for keeping your breath fresh as a daisy. It's like having a secret weapon in your mouth, ready to zap bad breath away on command. At 5, we're soothing sore throats one gulp at a time. Think of mint water like a gentle cooling mist for your throat. Perfect for those days when it feels like you swallowed a cactus. It's the throat spa day minus the expensive bill. Number 4 is where mint water shows its brainy side. Does it feel like your brain's running on dial-up? Mint water can sharpen your focus and boost your energy levels, making it the perfect sidekick for your brain's many adventures. It's like flipping your brain switch from meh to wow. At number 3 is where it gets even cooler. Mint water is Mother Nature's air conditioning, offering a refreshing chill from the inside out. It's perfect for cooling down after a hard workout or just beating the summer heat. Think of it as like having an internal ice pack, always ready to deploy. Sliding in at number 2, mint water is the beauty guru for your skin. By promoting hydration and its anti-inflammatory properties, it does wonders and helps your skin look radiant and healthier. Drinking mint water is like signing up for a natural glow-up, no filter needed. And the top reason, number 1, is mint water is your ally in weight management. This refreshing drink can help stimulate the digestion and turn your body into a more efficient fat-burning machine. Imagine a personal trainer in your glass, cheering you on with every sip. Got a mini fresh idea or a cool tip to share? Drop a comment below and let's create a splash in the mint water revolution together. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of why mint water is pretty much the coolest drink on the planet. Now if you've enjoyed this refreshing ride through minty goodness, do the minty thing and like and share and subscribe. This does help us out a lot here and we really do appreciate it. Until next time, I'm Rob from Remedies Insider. Have a great day or night. Thank you so much for watching. Keep minty, and God bless.